back when we started the pre-orders for our time and temp chart, what we offered was a grocery shop for one lucky reader from either UK or the US, because we thought it would be wonderful to give back to one of our readers that had taken the time to pre-order, and also mention that for each copy you pre-ordered, you get an extra entry for our time and temp giveaway. So for example, if you ordered 5 copies, then you would get 5 entries. And it's been out a bit now, and I'm thinking I really need to get on with this, but we've just been so busy with the launch of it that we've not had chance. So what I asked our darling daughter Sophia to do is, because it's hard on the giveaways online when there's multiple entrants per person, was she sat there with a pair of scissors, pieces of paper, and she cut out each of the entrants for the competition, and we thought it would be a great way for us to draw a winner. So the giveaway entrants are cooking up in the air fryer, so let's check to see if they're ready yet. And we've beeped! So let's check, shall we? Oh, and yeah, it's cooked up perfectly. So if you've not got a copy yet, then this is the time and temp chart that everybody was pre-ordering. Has more than 275 everyday air fryer recipes, and it also teaches you when to flip, shake, and the air fryer, and so much more. So it's that time when I get that little bit more nervous, because I was thinking to myself, there's so many of you great guys that support me, and I want you all to be winners, but of course I can only have one winner. So I suppose it's time. Who's it gonna be? Let me find someone. Oh, I've got a piece of paper. Oh, I've got one. It's a Gmail. So I'm going to keep that. And I'm going to write down number 1, because you would be amazed by how many times I tell people they've won a competition and I never hear back from them again. So that's going to be number 1. And just in case that person doesn't get back to me, then this one here is going to be my number 2. Oh, another Gmail one, hey? That's why I need to write the numbers on it. So there you go. I've got winner 1. I've got winner 2. Just in case number 1 doesn't come back, I'm going to go and email winner 1 now. And fingers crossed we can sort them out with lots of groceries, using the ingredients that we mentioned in the time and temp chart and making it tailored towards them. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.